What's up, babes, watchers? So, this haul here is going to be about me preparing for my vacation. And if you know, I go on cruises every Christmas. Well, I have been the past few years. And so, I did buy a few items for the trip. Some items I'm getting out of my closet, but the items that I am getting out of my closet that I didn't wear or I wore one time, what I got from Fashion Nova, I'll order from there. And then I'll previously before, if y'all been watching my videos, y'all seen that I really was iffy about Fashion Nova. But Fashion Nova has slowly won me over. You just have to really pay attention to the item that you're gonna get. I'm just showing you a little the items that I did get, and I'm probably gonna pair it with items I had out of my closet as well. I'm pretty much done with my shopping. The only thing I'll have to do is get me some heels. But I will get that later in another video, maybe. Let's just get into it because I'm excited about this haul, y'all. It's been a minute since y'all seen me do a try on haul, so yeah, let's go. I have let me tell you, this is the Sophia seamless legging set. It's a small and it's very stretchable, y'all. Very stretchable. It fits very comfortable. So I got this outfit just as like a lounge day during the sea because I am doing a 7-day cruise this time instead of a 4-day cruise. So we have I think additional days of at sea. So I said one day I go to the gym and then it's fitting as well, and it curves me good. I like it. It's actually tall girl friendly too. I just got them up a little bit so you could pull them down here, as you can see. Pull it down. So it comes at the ankles. Good length. I didn't pay attention on the website of how much detail it is on the clothes. It has this, I want to say lace detail, but it's not lace. But it's cute though. It's cute. I like it. It's very stretchable. So this is small. I'm about between 130, 136, 5, 6.5. So, you know what I'm saying? Boom. You do the measurements for yourself to understand. It definitely fits good. This little pudge needs to go. But let's get into the next outfit. Okay, y'all. So this is another legging. And I got this shirt. Of course, it's like Detroit on there, Detroit, Michigan. It's in 1994 Varsity League here. And I just got this as like an outfit to get on the boat, wear some tennis shoes, sneakers. And I'm porting out of Orlando this time. I'm not porting out of Miami. So I don't know if the weather is going to be a little gloomy, cool. Even though Florida is considered a hot state, once you get to like the mid upper north part of Florida, it do get a little cold. Not as cold here, but in Michigan. But yeah, so I got this, like I said, the Detroit long sleeve fitted baby tee. That's another thing. It is a baby tee. I like it though. But these leggings, the leggings is everything. The leggings is, compared to the other leggings to this one, the other leggings, I can say they were a little bit bigger, but they still fit good. These snug. Like, I feel them pulling in everything, showing the curves, honey. Like, snatching you in. These, perfect. Since here, they were on sale. They call Smooth Operator High Rise Legging Indigo. They were on $8. And it's a small, medium size. So it's medium. And these boys fit good. Love them. And like I said, the shirt, this was $13.99. And then that last legging set, if I didn't tell you the price of that set, it was $19.99. And it was in wine color. Girl, love a little wine. But anyways, let's get into the next fit. I think this is the winner of the night. I don't know. Can y'all see? Let me back this camera up somehow. Y'all, this dress is the dress. This is the winner of the night. Y'all see this? It's so cute. Now, my original plan when I got this dress was to like one of the islands that we go to. That's where I was just gonna wear it, be cute, because not every island you go swimming at. And we're going on a Carnival cruise, so Carnival has their new island, so that's pretty much the island where we're gonna go swimming and have a good time. But my mom, I asked her to help me zip this dress up. She's talking about, no, that should be for the dinner, because you could choose to eat captain's dinner, which we love to do, and we get dressed up and just be fancy on the boat. So she talking about this should be it. It's flowy, girl. It show all my dress. I don't want to take it off, y'all. I don't want to take it off. It's so cute. But let me tell y'all the information on it. It is the Charlotte printed linen maxi dress. $37.99. But that's still not bad, because I ain't gonna tell you what my price tag would have been on it, but it's not bad. That's still good. I like it. And I'm just gonna decide if I want to wear it in dinner or actually on the island. And it's so cute because it got like a slit, and I love a little nasty slit. Not a nasty, ooh, excuse my authenticity right there. But I love a little sexy split. You feel me? See, if I only had, Lord, where's my husband? Let's get into the next outfit, y'all. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the back of this dress. I'll end up unzipping it, but look, the back. Sexy, right? All right, y'all. So this is another outfit. So when I decided to put this outfit together, this shirt, I got this from a boutique called Swanka Posh here in Michigan. And I got this shirt probably 2 years ago, and I just never wore it. I just never had like nothing. I want to say I didn't have an event to wear it to, but I just never had nothing to pair it to. And when I came across these leggings, I thought they were kind of pants, but they're leggings. I thought they were going to be a little thicker. Let me just say that. So when I came across, I said, oh, that's going to match perfectly. And it goes. I love the glitter, shiny, and then I don't, this is tiger stripes. Didn't want to say the other print, but this is tiger stripes. Yeah, tigers. So it's giving cute. Now this was my plan to wear this to dinner, like what I was talking about, captain's dinner, just eating one nice night. But since I might wear that dress, this might be like a club night, because the cruise I go to, Carnival, of course, the turn up one, they do have a club. So I might wear this as like a club outfit. Cute. Now, I don't know if I should put something else under it or if I just keep it the black bra. And the back is like this. It's out. So that's the only thing. If I would have it out like this. So I probably would need to get like the strapless bra or like the pasties, or like get the boob tape and lift my boobs up. That's what I'm going to do instead of the bra. Because, baby, this back, loving it. These leggings, I don't know if the camera making my I look bad, but me in the mirror, I look very sexy in this. This is what I'm talking about. This is cute. Get some cute heels. You know what I'm saying? And I'm good to go. This is the leggings, actually, is Eden Flocked Mesh Zebra leggings. Oh, zebra print. I don't know why I didn't think of that. That is correct. This is not tiger print. This is zebra print. So tell me what y'all think. Think it's okay? Y'all think it's better for club attire, or y'all think dinner, or both? You know what I'm saying? Either or. I don't know which one, but when it comes to it, we'll decide the day of. But let's get into this next one, okay? All right, y'all. So that's it. How did y'all like it? Please leave a comment. Or like it. You ain't got to leave a comment. I did have another outfit to show, but I didn't realize the seam on it. I seen it, but I don't know why I didn't think of it. Like, the seam was 30. I need like a 32, 33. On the safe side, 34. seam on the pants, so gotta send that back. The shirt, the sweatshirt, because it's like a sweatsuit sweat set, they were sold separately. The top not bad, but I'm just gonna send both of them back. And then I did get, so let me go get it. I did get a shawl, and I'll show y'all what's the color here of it. Here, and it's so soft, y'all, like very, very soft. And the name of the shawl is Fall Night Out Ramana. And I did get some earrings as well. Matter of fact, let me get that, and some shades. Actually, let me get y'all. Did get 2 accessories. So let me click this one here. Got 2 accessories here. So I got these earrings to go with that dress, that flowy dress. They are so cute. Look, too cute. Definitely giving vacation vibes. Got that. And then I got these shades, which fire, you know, so fire. Listen, I might be in the club one night. Need these boys because they not too dark, but they nice tint. And even when I'm on the island or on the boat deck, either way, all of the above. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, just a few things. Didn't order too much because I have stuff already in my closet that I didn't show on this video. But if I decide to post my cruise vlog, y'all will see all the different outfits. So stay tuned on that. And yeah, more content coming. I got some other ideas, not other ideas, but other segments coming. I want y'all to stay tuned for my lash journey, which some of y'all know I already been doing lashes for the longest, and I've been rebuilding my clientele since I moved back to Michigan about a year ago, and it's still rebuilding. So I have a lot of videos coming soon of me doing that, so stay tuned to that. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good, blessed day.